Hello everyone! Today we are going to build a double-seat bench with built-in storage. The storage compartment is designed to fit a standard food pan container, which is easy to find on Amazon or eBay. The container is made from durable material, so it can safely hold bottles and ice without getting damaged. There are also ventilation holes at the bottom of the storage compartment to help remove moisture and keep the inside dry. You can see the cut list on the screen. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time to review it. You will also find all dimensions and detailed assembly instructions throughout this video. We are building this double-seat bench using standard lumber available at most home improvement stores. You will also need screws, wood glue, extruded polystyrene foam insulation, and a pair of door hinges. In the pinned comment, you will find a link to the PDF plans, as well as the SketchUp 3D model. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with others. See you in the next project.